Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, the Solana chart's still moving in line with the parameters shared in the last update, but I have adjusted the resistance a little bit because the price moved down a little bit lower, a little bit deeper into that blue target area. I think when I made the last video, the price was just above the blue target zone for this third wave, and now we've reached it. Price has shown a reaction, and we want to talk about this structure a little bit. So overall thesis is still that the wave 4 bottomed here around the 13th of January. We're now in a wave 5 to the upside, which is unfolding as an ABC structure. The A wave to the upside might have topped on the 19th of January, the A wave of wave 5. Now we are likely in a B wave. I see this as a B wave of wave 5. And in the B wave, we already saw the A wave element complete, the B wave as a triangle, very complex corrections at the moment. And the C wave to the downside could be unfolding now. For that C wave, we're tracking a possible 5-wave decline. So if the C wave is a 5-wave decline, then what can we see? We can see a wave 1 complete. We can see a wave 2 complete. We can see a wave 3 complete. And another 4-5 pattern is needed. Now, it's not absolutely needed. I mean, this pullback is deep enough to represent all of the B wave correction within the wave 5 rally to the upside, yeah? This B wave correction, however, only has an ABC, but the C wave is only a 3-wave move so far. I'm talking about the move down that started on Friday. So it's wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3, which means just looking at it structurally, despite the pullback was deep enough, and we have even broken below that swing low from the 20th of January, which is ideal for a correction, for a clear low formation. It looks as if structurally another move down would be ideal. That's why we have the resistance area on the chart. Because I cannot rule out that we've bottomed already because the pullback is deep enough. It's just not preferred until we see a sustained break above resistance. Yeah, while there is the possibility the low is in, it would appear incomplete. Now, there is a pattern that's called a WXY structure. And then we have wave W where the A wave was, an X wave where the B wave was, and the Y wave would be here to complete the B wave. But the Y wave itself would then just be an ABC structure, and then it appears complete. But this is not normally the most common pattern, which is why I would need to see more evidence to call that low in place. But the Elliott wave structures and Fibonacci levels tell us what are the signals we need to see. And that's why we added the resistance area to the chart. So it's located between $230 and $245. And as long as we stay below $245, the focus is on one more low, right? But most of that decline is likely done, I would say, but can't call a low in place yet, okay? So at the moment, the market is in resistance. I can actually shift it a little bit to the left here. Okay, we've now reached the 38.2 retracement. And we can also watch, in addition to that, the structural previous breakdown point. So you might remember from yesterday we were tracking a triangle here, and I said to you, okay, balanced probabilities, but we need to listen to the signal. So we had the red line as a breakdown signal at $242, and it would have been 265 to the upside, would have been a break up signal. The market took the downside path and dropped then quite quickly as a reaction from 242 to 221. Now we have that bounce. This was an ideal target area for the third. I can remove that now. Don't need it anymore. And is now giving us a bounce into resistance. So this is an area I'm watching now. If the pullback, the next pullback is corrective and it holds a higher low, it might very well be the low is in. If the decline is impulsive, we break below the third wave low, then I would assume that the market is going to test the area between 190 and 209. So that's what I'm watching for. Overall, not much more to add, but that should give you all the parameters. Any break above 245 then could mean that we're also breaking up and take out all these previous swing highs and are on our way to 360 plus. Yeah, so this is going to be something that we have to be watching for in the next couple of sessions. Main support below is $209, yeah, and then 190. Only a break below 190 would mean I have to sort of revise the overall assumption. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.